Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to remove background extra noise from microphone on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Open Recording tab, select Microphone, click Properties. Click Levels tab, change microphone volume to maximum, boost to plus 10 dB, click Advanced tab. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.